What are you doing, Rennie?
I am trying to draw a table in MS Word, but it seems so complex.
Don't worry, I'll help you. To create a complex table, follow these steps. First, click on the place where you want to create the table. Then, click Insert on the menu bar. Click on the table. Then, click Draw Table. The pointer will change its shape to a pencil. Draw a rectangle by dragging through left-click in order to define the outer table boundaries. Then, draw the columns and rows in the table. You can erase any line or block of lines by clicking on the eraser tool and dragging it over the line. After drawing the table, you can click a cell and start typing or insert a graphic.
How do we delete a table or anything on it?
These are the steps to delete a table and its content. First, click and select the table. Click and select the table layout in the menu bar. Click on the drop-down option under the Delete option. Click the Delete Table option. The entire table and its content will be deleted. If you wish to delete either a row, column or cell from a table, then follow these steps. First, select the rows, columns or cells to be deleted. Then point to Delete on the table menu and then click Columns, rows or cells that you wish to delete from the drop-down menu. The selected item will be deleted automatically.
How do we clear what we have written in a cell?
First, select the item to be cleared. Then, press Delete. The selected item will be deleted.
Can we add more rows or columns to a table after it has been already created?
Definitely. You can add as many rows or columns to a table as you want. These are the steps to add rows or columns to a table. First, select the place where you want to insert a row or column. Then, on the Layout tab, click the drop-down arrow under Rows and Columns. Then, click on the desired Insert command. You can also resize the table as you want. These are the steps to resize the table. First, rest the pointer on the table until the table resize handle appears on the lower right corner of the table. Then, rest the pointer on the table resize handle until the double-headed arrow appears. Drag the table with the left-click button till you get the desired size of your table. You can also increase or decrease the size of table.
Can we merge two or more cells into one?
Definitely. These are the steps to do it. First, click Eraser on the Design toolbar. Then, drag the eraser over the cell dividers which are to be removed.
Our teacher said that you can also format a table after creating it. How can we do it?
Yes, you can format a table too. There are a number of things you can do to a table. You can display or hide the table grid lines by formatting it. First, click on the Design menu bar. Then, click on the Borders drop-down menu. The drop-down menu appears. Choose no border to hide grid lines. The grid lines will disappear.